Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best customizing tool for Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung smartphone's home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Galaxy Store, and in the Galaxy Store just search for one application named as Good Lock. Just search this application, and below you can see here a Good Lock icon. Just tap on it. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. And if you find difficulty in getting this application on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones or tablets, then on the later part of this video I will give alternative applications where you can get the similar applications for the rest Samsung Galaxy smartphones or tablets. So after that just tap on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface. So there are tons of options. The first one is a theme park, which I have already installed, so you can just tap on it, and as I've already downloaded and installed this theme park, so here you can customize different keyboard layouts, icon packs, volume panels. You can customize. I've already using this application theme park, which is a part of the Good Lock application. And below you can see Wonderland. So what does Wonderland do? You can just tap on it. If you want to find more about this, you can see here, you can read here 3D motion wallpapers, and below you can see a Lockster, and on the right side you can see a download icon. You can tap on it if you want to download this. So you can see here it will take you to the Galaxy Store to download this various applications. So this all are the part of the Good Lock application. So you can see key caps, so you can customize your keyboard layouts and the fonts, and below you can see Napsters. You can customize the navigation bars, gestures modes, and below you can see home up. You can customize the recent home or the display recent app styles. So you can see your various styles, customization for the home screen, and below you can see clock pace. You can customize your own clock paces for your lock screens, and below you can see quick stir. So quick stir is usually for the quick panel UI. You can customize the notification toggle or app tiles, everything. You can increase or decrease the number of app tiles on your notification toggles. So these are all the options included inside this single application named as Good Lock. So if you does not find this Good Lock applications available for your respective Samsung Galaxy smartphones, then you can do one thing. You can just go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store you can search for one similar application named as Find Lock. Just search this application on your Play Store, just tap on it, and you can install it. So it's almost the similar as you can see here, just the name may be different. So if you don't find a Good Lock for your respective Samsung smartphones or tablets, then you can get this alternative Find Lock, which is almost similar as the Good Lock, and you can get the rest similar features available in the Good Lock applications. So using this application you can easily customize your Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about this very cool customizing application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.